Hello everybody. I welcome all of you to this introduction course on AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design CAD and drafting software application. It was developed by Autodesk and was first released in the month of December 1982 as a desktop running application on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Before AutoCAD was introduced, most commercial CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or mini computers with each CAD operator working at a separate graphics terminal. AutoCAD is also available as a mobile and web application nowadays. As the software was released around 40 years back, different versions are available, and the latest being 2022. The version which I am going to use is 2015, AutoCAD 2015. So here you can see when you open the AutoCAD, software, then you can get a screen like this. Now, if you don't have the command bar here, okay, command tool, you can just type Control+9. Okay, Control+9, you can get this command line. Okay, so here you have to type whatever command you are going to. Your interaction with the computer or the software is based on with the help of this box, command box. Okay, so here you want to type whatever instruction which you want to give, you can type here. So first of all, if you don't need this grid which is shown, you can just type grid, grid, and enter. It will show an option like on or off, snap, etc. You can based on the if you want, you can give the size of the grid, or you can off. If you don't want the grid, you can just select off so that the grid is vanished. Now, since we are drawing the using this CAD software for drawing different diagrams, you want to specify the limit of the limit of your drawing. So you want to set the screen according to your drawing. So first we will type limit. Okay, li limits. You can see limit is coming here. You can select limits so that it will show the specify lower left corner. Okay, you here lower left corner means this point, this is lower left corner. So there you want to give 0,0. So it is already inside the bracket. If you want, you can give 0,0. Okay, 0,0 and enter. Then it is showing upper, specify upper right corner. Whatever dimension you want to draw, you can give here. Okay, you want to give say 150, say 100. So that is your upper limit. So you are giving enter. You just type that 150 and 100, then enter. Again you type, press enter button, so that the limit which is given by you is coming inside this bracket. It is coming as 00, and then again you press enter button, then inside this bracket it is 150, 100. So it is limit is now already set. You press enter button once or twice, so that 150, the upper and lower limits which you set by you is coming inside the bracket. Now now you want to now this screen, you have set the limits. Now you want to screen the screen, you want to zoom the screen according to the limit set by you. So for that you just type zoom, 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 and enter. It is showing some options like all, center, dynamic, etc. You select all, so that now this screen is zoomed according to your drawing. Okay, now you can draw the diagram which you want to draw. Now here we have different tools like draw tool, annotation, modify, layers, then properties, etc. So today we are going to see different drawing tools. So important tools are like line, circle, polygon, and hatching. Okay, so these are the tools which we are going to see now. Okay, first we have line tool. This is the line tool. So you just bring the cursor here by using your mouse and select that, left click, select the line tool. Okay, then you bring your cursor here, so that it is showing as specify first point. You just specify the first point here. Okay, this is the first point. Now you want to specify the next point. So you want to draw a line of say 50 mm, a horizontal line of 50 mm. So you just show direction. Okay, here it is also showing the angle also. Okay, you want to draw a line at particular angle, you can give. Otherwise, you want to draw a line at a horizontal line, you just show the angle as 0 degrees and give the dimension as say 50 mm. So 50, you just type 50 and enter, so that you can get that 50 mm line. Now you show the other direction. So this is the next direction. So you want to draw a vertical line, so you just show the angle as 90 degrees, set the angle as 90 degrees and draw that line at give the dimension as 25, type that 25 and enter. Okay, enter button, so that we can get that vertical line also. Now you want to draw one more horizontal line, so bring the line towards this cursor towards left and give the next dimension, it is 50. So set the angle to 180 degrees and give 50 mm, so you can get that line also. Okay, now you want to close this one, so you just bring the cursor to this point so that you can close this rectangle. Okay, so that is a polygon is constructed. Polygon, okay, a rectangle is constructed by using line comment. Now you want to draw a box by using this one, just select line comment from here. You select that point, you bring this cursor and select this point. Okay, then specify the next point. You want to give this angle at 30 degrees, so you can see that angle also is shown there. Okay, so next point 30 degrees, you after bringing the angle to required value 30 degrees, you just give 25 mm. Okay, 20 mm, so that 30 degrees 20 mm line you can get. Okay, now you want to draw one more line, so just press escape and then again select this line comment. Again you bring this point here, cursor to here, select that, left click, select that point, then again you show the angle say 30 degrees, bring the angle to 30 degrees and line length is 20 mm, you just give 20 mm, type 20 mm and enter, so that line 20 mm line you are getting at 30 degrees. Now we want to draw one more line. Again you bring this cursor to select button, then you bring the cursor to here. Okay, so that is the starting point. Then you want to show the angle again, bring the angle to 30 degrees and give the dimension as 20 mm, 20 and enter. Okay, you can get that line also, then press and escape button or enter button. Okay, now you want to close that box, so select the line comment. First point you select, next point you select here, and one more point you select. So in this way you can draw a box by using line comment. This okay, now this is the now if you want to draw a line at particular angle, you can select by using this method, like showing this bringing the angle here, or otherwise you can give type you can give the comment also. Line, select line comment. Here you can see inside the comment box it is showing as line specify first point. Okay, so you are specifying the first point, then you want to give some angle, you want to draw a line at particular angle, so you just give you want to draw a line of length 40 mm at say 35 degrees. So you just type at the rate okay, at the rate means shift 2. Okay, at the rate say 40. Okay, angle less than is angle. Okay, angle say 35, so 35 at the rate 40 angle 30, at the rate 45 angle 30 will give you that line. Okay, or 35 angle 35. So you once more I'll show you. Select the line comment, select the first point. Okay, then at the rate say dimension is at the rate 45. Okay, angle is less than. Okay, angle 35. So at the rate 45 angle 35. So in that way you can type you can draw inclined lines also. Okay, otherwise you can just you can get if you use this cursor itself, you can start the line from here. You want to draw a line at say 125 degrees. 125 is showing here, and dimension you can just give 30 degrees. In that way you can draw the line by using and this method also. Now you want to move this, you want to pan this one, so just give right click. Okay, right click, you can get the pan, so select pan button and just move it. Okay, so that you can draw different diagrams here. Okay, now you want to draw a circle. For drawing a circle you have different methods. You select that circle. You have different options like center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tan radius, tan. Okay, so for that first we will draw a line circle by using center radius. Select the center radius, this point, select this starting point. okay, center point, then give the radius. Radius is 25 mm, 20 mm radius you are giving, give 20, enter. So you can get a circle of 20 mm. Now you want to draw another circle of center diameter, okay, center diameter, this point, okay, this is the option. You want to draw a circle of, you will give this point as the um, center point, okay, here this is the center point. You want to give the radius, you want to give the diameter now, okay. So diameter, you can give, so this one is a 40 mm circle, okay. Either you can bring this to here or you can bring this to here, okay, so that you can get one more circle, okay. Otherwise you can give 40 mm diameter value, you can give 40, so that you can get the circle of 20 mm radius or 40 mm diameter. Now you want to draw one more circle by using this 2-point method. Center diameter, now you want to draw a circle with 3-point method, say 3-point method. Select that point, that method. First point you are giving here, okay, okay. First point is this one, second one is say here, and one more circle like this, okay. So you can draw a circle, different circles like this. Now you want to draw a one more circle. You give say 25 mm, so you can get a you can now you have 3 circles here, okay. You want to draw a circle tangent to these 3 circles. So for that you just select this circle, tangent tangent, you can use tangent tangent radius method or tangent 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 method. So final method, tangent 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 method, you select that method, then show this first circle tangent to that one, second circle tangent to this one, and third circle tangent to this circle, okay. You just select all these three circles, and so that you can get a circle tangent to these 3 circles. So that is another, no, you if you have a center button, if you rotate that upwards you can zoom that, if you rotate that downwards you can zoom in and zoom out, you can do like that, okay. You have the mouse center button, you can rotate it upwards or down, scroll it upwards or downwards, so that you can get the, you can do the zooming in and zoom out, okay. So you want to pan means you just select right click, then press right click, then pan, you can move it, okay. Now if you want to delete this one, you can select, here you have an option, erase option, or you can select that particular diagram, okay, particular diagram, select that one and delete, you can delete. Or you want to erase that, select erase tool, select that drawing which is to be erased, then you press enter, so that it can erase it, you can erase that. Now we have seen 2 tools, one is line and another one is circle. Now you have polygon, this is polygon. So you have polygon, select the polygon tool. You have rectangle, you can use that rectangle, okay. Rectangle, you just give this specify first corner, this is the first point, then specify next point, say 50 mm, you can give 50 mm, okay. Then select the rectangle, you can give the rectangle like this, okay. So you have 2 options, x and y, you can move accordingly, you can give, okay. So there you can give the different value, or you can draw that line rectangle like this, or you can use line command for drawing the rectangle. Now you have one more option, polygon, select polygon. Now it is asking us number of sides. You want to give you want to draw a circle, you want to draw a pentagon, you give sides as 5, okay. Enter number of sides 5, enter. Then you want to draw by using edge method or some other method. If you want edge method, you just go for edge, select edge, okay. Then it is giving us first point of edge, so this is first point of edge. Give the second point of edge, okay. You want to draw a vertical line or a horizontal line, according to that you can give. Here I'm opting as a horizontal line, a vertical line like this, okay. So there the dimension I'm giving is say 30 mm, so 30, I'm just typing 30 and entering, so that I can get a polygon, a pentagon of 30 mm edge. Now you have another option, say polygon. So now you want to draw a hexagon. So hexagon, you just give say sides as 5 sides, okay. Now you want to give some, you want to use some other method. So specify first point, instead of using edge method you are going to use some other method. So you say you want to use some other method. So first so this specify, it is given as, it is asking as specify center point of the polygon. So I'm giving center point of the polygon, this one. Okay, you want to draw inscribed or circumferential circle. Inscribed means inside the circle, circumferential means outside the circle. So I'm selecting it as inscribed circle or circumferential. Okay, so there you can see polygon like this. Okay, so if you give say 25 mm, you can get a polygon, pentagon, hexagon outside a 25 mm circle. You want to bring, you want to draw it inside a circle, means again you have an option, polygon. Okay, you have sides 6 mm, side 6 sides. Okay, so enter that. So you give the center point here. Instead of in circumferential, I am selecting inscribed circle, so that now it is coming inside the circle. Okay, if you draw a circle of that particular radius, inside that only this pentagon is coming. So if I am giving 25 again, so I am getting a smaller pentagon. Okay, hexagon. So these are different tools for drawing line, circle, and polygon, etc. You can use arc also using this command, 3-point arc. You want to draw an arc like this, 1 point here, 1 point here, and the 1 point here. You can draw an arc like this, showing 3-point arc. Okay. Now you want to hatch. Now you have one more option, hatch. Okay, this is hatch tool. So select that hatch. Hatching you can do inside a, you can hatch inside a closed geometry only. Okay, so this is hatch tool. Select hatch, then it's coming like different patterns. So you can select the, required pattern if you click here. Okay, then you have the different patterns showing here. So which one you want, you can select. Okay, I'm going to use this particular pattern, this one. Select that pattern and show the space, so that you can draw by using that hatching pattern. If you want to modify that, you can do it here. Okay, you want to modify the hatching, instead of angle, you can give say say 45 degrees. You can see that the angle is coming like this. Okay, so according to that you can set. Okay, you want to get it 90 degrees, you just select that okay option and give 90, so that it is coming like this. Okay, you can set the angle also. Now then enter. Okay, now you want to hatch. Once more I'll show you how to hatch. Select the hatch option. Okay, then it is coming as different hatching tools, I mean options. So in that you can select the required hatching okay pattern. So this one is brick. Okay, you want to brick, you can select that brick option. So you can that is coming as, because it is scale is not according to your so you give some very small value, you can get that. Okay, so instead of that we will use some other hatch option, this one. So that is another option, another hatch pattern. Okay, so in that way you can hatch different. You have to after selecting a particular pattern. So pattern you are selecting. Okay, then this pattern you are selecting, then show the space to be hatched, show that space. Okay, then you press enter, then again enter and escape. Okay, so that that is already selected. Otherwise, if you select immediately, if you select another one, same pattern will be repeated here. To avoid that, you have to press enter button. Okay, now you have once more I'll show you hatch. Select hatch option. You have lines. Okay, this line option. So this is the line. Okay, select that space to be hatched, then enter. So in that way you can do hatching. So in this class we have seen different drawing tools like line, circle, arc, then polygon, and hatching. So these are very important. These are important hatching tools which are used in drawing AutoCAD. Now we will see the modify tools in the next class. Thank you very much for listening to this lecture. Thank you very much.